Hi everybody from TechnoLost, so welcome to the unboxing of the HTC One. Well guys, tonight I'm gonna show you this black version HTC One. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit, I cannot wait to open up this box and see what we have inside, because this is a very gorgeous phone to me. So let's open it and see what we have here. Okay, this one is the HTC One. Wow, let me tell you, wow. Let's just put it aside a little bit to see what we have inside the box. Hopla. So we have, this is the UK version, so we have here the power plug with the UK standard power plug, of course. Then we have the in here headphone with this remote control here and some spare earbud. Okay, and we have of course the micro USB to USB cable, so nothing really special. We have here the micro SIM slot pin just to open it up, few quick start guide manual and all this stuff. So okay, let's see now the HTC One. Let's see if I can take it out of this cover without any kind of damage. Okay, here we go. This is Mr. HTC One in black edition. Let me tell you, it's wonderful, really wonderful. So just few info. The size of the device is 137.4 millimeters tall for 68.2 millimeters wide, and we have 9.3 millimeters thick. So it's just it has some kind of rounded back, as you can see here, and this makes it really comfortable to hold it in your hand. And it's really great because it has this kind of unibody design. It's all made up of metal, but for this stripe here, which is polycarbonate, of course, all around the body. Just let me show you the body of the device. We have the two stereo speakers, front-facing camera, the gorgeous display, brightness and ambient light, proximity ambient light sensor. Here behind the speaker grill we have the notification light, which is not RGB, sorry. We have on the left side the SIM tray, nothing else. On the right side we have the volume rocker. Okay. On the upper side we have the power button, which is even an IR buster, because this HTC One can be used as universal remote for many electronic consumer devices. We have here the 3.5 headphone jack. On the lower side we have the micro USB connector and the sorry, not the speaker, the microphone. On the back we have the secondary microphone used for noise reduction. We have the main camera with the LED flash. Nothing else but this gorgeous metal body here, because all the speakers, as I told you, are on the front side. So few hardware specs of this device while I started. So oops, as you can hear, it's very loud. We have the CPU, which is a Qualcomm APQ8064T, which is the advanced version of the 8064, also known as a Snapdragon 600. It's quad-core CPU clocked at 1.7 GHz with a production service of 28 nanometers. I mean, it's very strange because we have 2 GB. Of course, it's not strange that we have 2 GB. It's strange that we have 2 GB of LPDDR2 RAM. Because the main feature, the main update of the Snapdragon 600 is the possibility of using LPDDR3. So it's very strange that HTC decided to go for the DDR2. So maybe just to save some money, I guess. don't know. Anyway, as you will see, this device is extremely fast. Here, look at here, extremely fast nevertheless, so no problem with using DDR2. Then we have the well-known Adreno 320. We have then, of course, this is the version of 32 GB. Well, we should have even a 64 GB version, but it's only for the development version, which is released only in the United States. Then we have this gorgeous 4.7 inches Full HD display with a very high density. We have 468 pixel per inch density, sorry. And it's a very gorgeous display. It's a Super LCD3 technology. Then we have the main camera, which is this one. It's the HTC call it Ultrapixel, which means nothing. To be honest, this is just a 4 megapixel backside illuminated sensor. But HTC is betting on the sensor dimension. I mean, given the dimension of this sensor, if we use less pixel into the sensor, let me explain you this way, we can catch more light for each sensor. So this is really important, because it means that we can have very good low light picture or night mode picture. Moreover, we have a very bright lens, which is f2.0, and we have even a wide angle lens, so it's a 28mm lens. So we should have a very good picture, considering even that we have optical and maze stabilizer, and we even have a dedicated DSP for the image processing. So we have the image chip 2. So we have the front-facing camera, which is 2.1 megapixel. It's ultra wide angle lens with the 88 grades. So we should have very wide angle picture with this front-facing camera. We have, of course, Boomsound, which means that we have 2 stereo speakers here on the front, with even a dedicated audio amplifier. So very good sound for this HTC One. Then we have, of course, all kind of connectivity. We have HSDPA plus, which means 42.2 megabit per second download speed, and HSUPA plus, which means 5.76 megabit per second upload speed. We have, of course, LTE capability 3 band. We have 800, 1600 and 1800 and 2600. We have then the Wi-Fi, ABGN, and even a new standard AC. Then we have Bluetooth 4.0 with aptX codec, which means very high quality for Bluetooth audio streaming. We have, of course, NFC, MHL, we have Miracast, we have GPS and GLONASS 2, all kind of sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, ambient light, compass. We have the notification LED, as I told you, and we have even the IR blaster. So all kind of sensor. We have a very good battery, which is 2300 mAh, although the unibody design means that we cannot change the battery on our own. And the OS version is version 4.1.2. So for what concerns the unboxing of this HTC One, that's all. Stay tuned for the dedicated focus. I mean, this will be a very hot month, given the fact that I have both Galaxy S4 and HTC One, so expect me to give you many focuses, and as well as comparison between this HTC One and the Galaxy S4. So once more, thanks for watching, and bye from TechnoLost.